stay kind of warm. What's Daddy got? Is that fun?
I'm censoring out your boobs with my hand.
She's got her legs crossed.
Really? But she's floating. Look at that. Like she's floating on her chest.
That's comfy, huh? Ooh.
She likes it? Hey. Oh, you put the whale in the water.
I know where he's supposed to go.
Sure, you can come out here and give her baths then.
I'm not going to give her.
I'm just kidding.
Oh. Ready? Watch the whale.
You know, if you look at the water line, it's not really, I mean, it's not really that much, it's not really that bad.
Did you see it? You want to do it again? Watch.
Is it like really cold? Oh, that's cool. It has a blowhole in the top, just like a real one. That's funny.
Come back.
Thing is crazy. She's like cool with being that far away.
Well, she doesn't know any difference. She's just secure.
Yeah.
And comfy.
Good choice on picking that one. I don't think the vinyl one would have been a good idea. That's pretty cool.
None of the other ones are as cool, because like this one squirts it out his mouth.
No, I'm talking about
the octopus is kind of cool. He's got like a blowhole on him.
the thing that she's sitting in. I think that's a good pick.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
No, don't fall.
Go. You try to come here by Daddy? Watch the whale. Here he goes.
That's pretty cool.
Here, you want to squeeze it? Squeeze him. Go.
I really like that. And I'll be honest, I'm very surprised that she's cool with it.
So we just had to get used to the water, Daddy.
Just think when she gets older, she'll be able to like really have fun in it.
She just wants to lick everything with water on it.
Well, the pH wasn't too low, so if it gets in her mouth, whatever, it's okay.
Are you taking pictures of her?
I'm doing video.
No, stop doing video. Take some